How to add emergency contact on your iPhone or Android. So now in this video I'm going to show you all the steps regarding it. So this is how you can do it. From the health application, if you have health app, if you don't have it, you can simply download it. The help app is a comprehensive tool for managing your medical information. By setting up your emergency contact here, you're also creating a medical ID that can be individually to first responder. Here is how to add emergency contact on iPhone using the inbuilt health application. Open the health application on your iPhone, then tap on your profile picture on the right top of your screen on the health app here. Select the medical ID option from there, and then here you will have to scroll down to the medical ID section. Click on edit on the right top of screen. There you will see an option called emergency contacts. In this section you can simply tap on a green icon and emergency contact button to add a contact here. Now after adding the contact, you can simply click on done option to save these changes, and you will be able to add any of your emergency contact to your phone book. Now from the contact application you can also add an emergency contact, but the first option will be the most convenient for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to channel as well.